You will be able to give users a better experience if you can anticipate their needs based on their environment and occasions, and prepare corresponding services for them in advance. For example, if when users pop in their earbuds and head out for a morning run, your app has already lined up a playlist of running songs, they will feel taken care of. How can you preempt users' needs like this? HUAWEI Awareness Kit provides you with a capability portfolio that enables you to learn about a user's situation, including their location, behavior, local time, headset status, nearby beacons, and ambient light. Awareness Kit lets you know a user's local time and related information. For example, whether today is a holiday or a workday, and whether it is in the morning or at noon. You can set a timer or a time barrier based on a target time. For example, your app can be set to send a notification to users 30 minutes before sunrise. With a user's permission, you can obtain their longitude and latitude information to provide notifications based on a geofence. When a user enters a set commercial district and stays there for a set duration, they will receive a welcome message and information about services nearby. With beacon identification capability, you can push services or information to a user when the user is close to a registered beacon. You can detect a user's status and status changes. Awareness Kit lets you know whether the user is walking, running, cycling, or driving, and whether or not they are in motion. You can detect the status of a user's headset no matter whether it is wired or wireless. Ambient light can also be detected as well. Awareness Kit offers a rich set of constantly evolving capabilities that will help you provide scenario-based services to your users in an efficient and comprehensive manner. Join other developers in adopting HUAWEI Awareness Kit to provide a responsive and intelligent app that allows your users to enjoy a new level of personalized experience.